Hi, and welcome to the next workshop, which is basically very similar to the previous workshop looking at global mesh control for a CFD. This is now looking for an FEA model. So again, what we want to do is bring in a mesh component, drop it in, replace that geometry, import, browse, and what this time we're looking for is the bracket STP file. So bracket STP, open that up, and again, like the previous ones, just edit in Design Modeler, generate, close it down, and go into the ANSYS meshing. Now, once ANSYS meshing is opened up, the workshop does say by going into the quick launch, you can change a few settings. Again, it's completely up to you if you wish you want to do this, but we'll move along as you've already done this before. So by clicking on the mesh, go to the details view. We can pin this. And we want to make sure that it's mechanical set for this. And then again, if you open up the sizing, it's got adaptive, everything's turned on, moving on to the next one. And what we want to do here is, again, just using the global mesh sizing, we can just generate the mesh and it would just provide us a mesh here. And again, here, you can turn on and off the mesh to visualize. But we can see that we've got some problems in terms of quality. We can go to the quality section here, mesh matrix, turn on the element quality, and you can see the values here and the statistics as well. The statistics is very important. It shows you the number of elements, and the statistics and the matrix may differ a little between two different computers, so it's very important to realize that why your values are not the same as the one on the actual workshop values. It's because the computers are different. So what we want to do is we're going to use adaptive sizing. We're going to change that to no to move on from that one, and we want to capture the curvature because there is some curvature here. So again, where we go down to oh, sorry, put on the wrong one here. Nope. And capture curvature, yes. And let's update the mesh. So generate mesh, and you can see that it's a little bit better. It's turned on the curvature for this, and the quality is something different as well, but it's still not fine enough. So what we want to do is we want to go to the element size here and change this to 6.5 mil. So make sure our units are metric millimeters. So 6.5 millimeters, generate the mesh, and what that would do is it will fill in the whole domain a little bit more smaller with a triangular mesh. Which is really good, but what we want to do is obviously making sure that the element qualities are good everywhere. There's two number of layers going through the actual thickness of the material as well. And that's very simple in terms of this workshop. Again, you could emphasize a lot more clarity on these key elements, but this will be looking at using local mesh sizing, which is the next workshop package.